I'm going to give Kathy the last word, but
I don't know how to precisely put answers to so many questions, but just to very, very quickly, no resistance to the Taliban that is any serious threat to them exists. There's a fool's paradise in the West that there's going to be some sort of resurgence of the National Front or anybody else. That's not happening. The biggest kinetic threat to the Taliban right now is Daesh and ISIS, so if you prefer them, take them. The other option is to, whatever this situation is in Afghanistan right now, it is a direct result of NATO and the United States up and leaving from Afghanistan. If you wanted to deal with someone else over there, well, you shouldn't have left. You have left, now you've got the Taliban to deal with. For Mehbooba, I know it's very difficult for them, and they're over here, they're experiencing extremely testing times, but Pakistan has and will continue to help the people of Afghanistan in whatever way we can. We have hosted the largest number of refugees on the planet, and they're from Afghanistan, 100,000 of which have come after the fall of Kabul. It is an extremely complicated situation, but we can't wash our hands and turn our backs on Afghanistan. It's time to create consensus, and not fanciful utopian consensus, but consensus based on the realities of Afghanistan, continue the humanitarian aid, open up their banking channels, unfreeze their funds so their economy can function. You can't starve your way to women's empowerment. There has to be a functioning state. At any opportunity, in any way, I'm willing to engage with the civil society, with the women, with the Taliban in Afghanistan. But we can't wash our hands, turn our backs, and leave them to their own devices.
thank you.